Welcome. If you want to change notification sound in your Nokia 8000 4G, at first you have to go for the menu and then you have to scroll down until you find settings. Right now we have to go for personalization, where we can find sound settings, so we have to open them. And right now we have to go for the tones. Right now we can change ringtones and notification alerts, as you can see. So let's open the notification alert. And currently set up on the calendar 3, but if you want to change for any other, for example for calendar 2 or 1, just go for it and click select. And as you can see, after that we can just simply go back. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.